Here's TALKI app. So it's you can spell it like TALKY, but it's TALKI. So this is the app. This is the personalized AI chats app. One of the most popular AI chats apps. There is also character AI app. There is also Chai app, some other ones. So, but I think this is one of the most popular one. And then you can just open it up, and yeah, here you can chat. It's very advanced. There are a lot of advanced features in this app. Like you can just have a lot of different bots here.
Hi, Easton, your brand new Vipers jersey.
The rest of a lot of super annoying ads. And then yeah, you see your chats. Then the chat discover is just basically you just swiping around just like on TikTok. And then here you have all the messages, and then you can tap to create your TALKI. You can also create your own TALKI, and yeah, then you have all the different cards, and then you have your profile. You have TALKI Plus. If you want, you can upgrade. Unlimited one-time discount, which you can have here. That's just you can do it, and then you can also have like a invite friends. So yeah, I already referred a lot of people, but for some reason it just says not qualified to receive rewards. What's happening here? So yeah, super annoying. But yeah, then you just have it here. Then you have your wallet where you have all these gems, and yeah, so that's the account here. And you can create your chats. You can see interactions. There is teenager mode, which you can turn on, and yeah, quite advanced app. So try it out.